Alright, so you must have your calculator in front of you. Now it's very important for you to be aware of the following functions. Right? The first one is this one here. You have got sine, okay? That's the one that we use if we want to determine the ratio of the sine of any angle. Okay? We also use cos. Okay. Right? We also use cosine. Right? Besides that, we also have our tan there. Okay, no calculator. All right. So we have our three trigonometric ratios. We are going to use a calculator now, right? So I'm just going to repeat because there was a technical issue there. So we have sine, that's cos, and that's tan. Okay? I hope you can see them on your calculator. All right. So let's start with the first one. So it's just an application of the calculator. So the first one is 1a. Right? So 1a, we have sine, okay, that's 2.1a. 2.1a, we have sine 43 degrees. I'm just going to write the ratio to two decimal places. So I'll bring my calculator back, right? Then I'll punch here sine 43 of 4, then a 3, right? Then you have to press equals. Okay? Then you can put a bracket if you want, then you press equals. Then it will give you the answer. So my answer then is going to be 0.68 to 2 decimal places. Right? So it will be 0.68. Okay? It's just a ratio. Right? Then the next one, I gave you K. So K, we have 7 times 301.4 degrees. Okay? So this one,
Yeah.
yes,
I don't. I don't know where I could have went wrong, but I got the answer of negative 0.83 for 2.18.
so 2.1. Okay. I think the reason for that is because, right, this is also important. I think it's because on your calculator, just check for me here, check for me here. Do you have a degree sign here? Do you see a small d there? Do you see a small d where I indicated on your screen here? You must have a small d there.
No.
Yes?
The following need to go down to
4, what you do is you go to your calculator first, put times 7. Let me delete this. Okay, just give me a second. Alright, let me bring my calculator back. So I was saying 7 times 301, raise 7, and then times 301, 4. Alright, then you can close the bracket there, and you can press equals. So hold on. So we're saying 7 times tan 301, 4. Right, like that. Then you press equals. So it gives you 11,447. So it will be 11,47. So this will be minus 11,47. Right? That's a ratio. It's not an angle. Okay? It's not an angle. Then the next one is question M. Now for M, we have sine 160.7 degrees all over 21. So this one, right? So first you put the fraction option, then you say sine 160.7, then you close the bracket, you put the denominator, that's 21. And then you press equals. So the answer will be 0.02 to 2 decimal places. So it will be 0.02 to 2 decimal places. And the next one is question Q. Alright, Q, let me do it at the bottom. So Q is 63 all over 2 cos 201 degrees. Right? So again, here you have to use the fraction option on your calculator. So press the fraction option, you put 63 first, then your denominator, it's 2, then you multiply it by cos 201. So it will be 2 times cos 201. Then you can close the bracket there and you press equals. So it gives you minus 33,74. Minus 33,74. So that would be minus 33,74. Right. Then the last one is question R. Now to do question R, I'm going to do it at the top here. Question R is tan 41 times sine 64 degrees. That's all over sine 32 degrees times cos 41 degrees. Alright? So let me bring that calculator. Okay, so this is very simple. Let's do it quickly. So put the fraction option. So we have tan. So we have tan 41 times sine 64 divided by sine 32. Then you close the bracket, then times cos 41, and then you close the bracket. Right. So the answer will be 1,95. Answer will be 1,95. So this is 1,95. Okay. Right. 1,95.